Hello guys, I hope you all are in peak of your health. I am once again in front of you. So first of all, I would like to thank you for sharing and liking my videos. Today is the session for writing task to vocabulary that again will be useful for you all, and these words are called 20 magic words which you can use for every and each essay. So let's have a look upon board. I have presented only 5 words. Later on I'll present rest of the 15 words. So the first word is many or various. Both of the words are similar in sense, and the synonyms of these words are manifold, multifarious, plethora of. If I talk about the example of the sentence in which I have used this word, there are manifold reasons to bolster my viewpoint. So I have used manifold here. So the first or the next word is lack of and shortage, which synonym is dearth or paucity. There is paucity of good universities in Punjab. किसी चीज की कमी होना, उसको हम paucity कहते हैं. Paucity we have written here. Next word is risk, which synonym is hazard. Smoking is a great hazard to health. किसी चीज का हानिकारक होना, वो हमारा word है hazard. I have used here for health only. Next word is worsen, which synonym is deteriorate. So pollution level is deteriorating in our environment. किसी चीज का भद्दर बन जाना वो होता है deteriorating. Next word not develop or inactive. किसी चीज का पूरी तरह से development ना हुआ हो, उसको हम use करेंगे as stagnant. The development in health sector has been stagnated in the past 5 years. So I have used stagnated word here. So the sixth word we do have criminal. It's a very common word. For the synonym for this word are culprit and offender. If you do have any criminal based essay, you can use this word. The proportion of culprits is increasing by leaps and bounds. Even if we have used a phrase here which is increasing day by day. Unlawful, which means illicit. Illicit means किसी चीज का गैर कानूनी होना. People involved in illicit activities must put behind bars. So next word we do have strict. Strict synonym we do have stringent. Stringent rules must be made to combat with corruption. किसी rules का कठोर तरीके से बनना, that is called stringent. Next word effective. That synonym for this word is efficacious. You can use this word effectively. Punishing rash drivers is an efficacious step towards road safety. Next word we do have practical. So something is in practical sense, you can use this word pragmatic. There are few pragmatic steps to combat with this issue. Furthermore, we do have next word to find a solution. किसी चीज का solution ढूंढना, and the synonym we can use for this word is resolve. To resolve this problem, we should make joint effort. This is an example or sentence which we can use by using this resolve. Complex or difficult, we do have 2 words here. Difficult to solve something is called knotty. K is totally or completely silent here. The word is called knotty. Even if corruption is a knotty problem, we can still curtail it. Curtail is to reduce something. किसी चीज को कम करना, that is called curtail. Obstruct, hinder. The both words are similar to each other, and we can use the synonym for these words hampers. किसी चीज में रुकावट डालना. Hinder or obstruction is called rukawat. Corruption hampers the economic progress of a nation, and we have used this word for corruption, which has hampers the economic progress of a nation. So next word to correct. किसी चीज को ठीक करना, किसी चीज को improve करना, that is called rectify. All mistakes in this essay must be rectified. Next word is copy. Copy is very common word. Instead of using copy word, you can use emulate or imitate. किसी चीज को copy करना, that is called imitation. We should not emulate others. So the 16th word we do have to follow completely. किसी चीज को completely follow करना, that is called adhere. People should adhere to guidelines made by the government. Next word is modern society or modern era. We can use this word at the very beginning of your introduction part of each essay. So we have used contemporary epoch and current word. Contemporary epoch for modern era and modern society we have used current word. Next word, developed nations. So we do have three words for this developed nation. How you can use it? Crime has become a dangerous threat to welfare state. Progressive nation, welfare state, affluent nation. I have used welfare state. You can use any according to your desire. Important than anything else. That is called paramount. किसी चीज का किसी और तरीके से अगर हम उसको कंबाइन करें, किसी और तरीके के साथ उसको हम कंपेयर करें तो paramount, that is, this thing is paramount than any other. Education is paramount in human life. We have used paramount here. Next, the very last word, serious problem, which we have used synonyms, grave, issue, solemn and ticklish. We do have three words and I have used only grave issue here. Pollution has become a grave issue around the world. Today we have completed 20 words, 20 magic words I can say. So if you want more material like this, don't forget to hit the bell icon and try to like my video and share as much you can. Thank you so much.